Here's another great RV from America's #1 family-operated RV dealer, Campers in RV, the RVer's trusted resource.
Hi guys, I'm Brianna. Today I'm showing you IBEX by Forest River model 10LHG. Let's go check it out.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below this screen. But the best way to view this beautiful RV is to put yourself in it. Stop by your local Campers in RV dealership today to see and feel the difference when you're treated like family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. Just like a home, there are many variations.
And what I enjoy is when that customer leaves here with that excitement and that enthusiasm about what's in store for them. Hitting the open road and spending quality time with family and seeing things. And to me, you know, when they leave here for that adventure, that's what warms my heart. That's what gives me a lot of pride in what we do as a company.